guys, welcome to my channel with Aziz. So today we're going to be doing a everyday look, a natural look. I'm not a makeup artist, but I try and do my own makeup. So we'll be using these wipes to actually wipe any Vaseline, because I use Vaseline on my face, just to wipe it off before we start. So now I'll be going in with my Rimmel Mahogany foundation that is from Clicks as well. And I have this nice sponge that I bought from this other boutique shop in Cape Gate that sells this nice cute stuff. And I think this brush is the best. The sponge is the best, honestly. You don't get any foundation on your hands or anything like that. And I'm just keeping on applying. Chocolate. And I'll keep on applying on my forehead, on the edges of my head, and under my nose, and on my chin. We blend. I love this foundation because it's not too dry. I love looking shiny. Then of course now we'll be using my concealer, Opal, Black Opal concealer. I'll be using quite a little amount from it because it makes me look ashy. So I'll be using just a tiny bit just to highlight my forehead, under eye bags, below my nose, and on my chin. Then now I'm using the same brush to actually blend in my concealer, because that brush already has my foundation, so it won't make me too ashy. And like as soon as patchy, guys. Okay, now I'll be using this beautiful brush of mine from my set of brushes and the Smudge Pressed Powder Matte Finish to actually just, decrease the shininess of the foundation on my face, because it's quite shiny. I love the shininess, but I don't like it to be too much. So I'm going in with that. Then of course, ndizongena ke ngoku ngepencil yam yakwaSmudge. It's an eyeliner from Smudge. Under my eyes, obviously. I'm not a fan of doing it like above my eyelid because I'm so bad at it. And as nibon eyechairs wanga betunan and now chairs, I don't even know where I must get them chairs. And I'm just wiping off any foundation that's left under my eyes, and I'm putting on a bit of powder in there. Now sizongena nge eyebrow brush. Mascara. So now we're doing mascaraizing our eyelids. Our eyelids, no guys, our lashes. Okay, now I'm going to go in with the Smudge Vixen Glaze Edition 78 color eyeshadow palette that I bought from Clicks. I think it was around 112. It was on special. Yeah, I love this palette. It's got matte and it's got like shimmer and glitter colors that I like, and it gives you enough room to actually teach yourself how to like come up with new styles. So now I'm applying my eyeshadow. I'm using a tan brown maroonish color that is very light. I'm not concealing my eyelids because I feel like I don't want it to stand out. Remember, we're doing just a simple look. This practically took me 9 minutes. Yes, the whole face took me 9 minutes. So I'm just using a nice neutral color, right? Neutral color. We don't want like too much, we just slightly, just some kind of thing there. And then of course we're gonna come in with our shimmer color, which is it's looking like your betunan. It looks like gold silverish. Then I'm just going on the corners of my eye towards the outside, but like I'm gonna stop like practically in a quarter of the eye. I'm gonna stop and I'm just trying to blend it in nicely. I'm gonna try and swap my brushes and go in with the brownish again, just to kind of like balance everything out. So basically what I'm really trying to learn is to blend colors together and to just avoid always using red, because this red, I always fall onto this red gold all the time. I need to learn like other colors as well. I did try a green. If you guys didn't see that, check it out on my Instagram. Yep. So now I'll be going in with my blush, everyday blush that I bought so cheaply. That's why I'm hiding the price here. I'm using my nice brush from Mr. Price. It was actually 3 in a pack. It's so cute. It's got like this thing that you can shake inside. It looks so cute. Anyway, I am going to be going on with my palette. Oh, guys, it's okay. This palette only has nudes or like neutral colors that are shimmer. Then I use that to actually highlight the tip of my nose or the bridge or whatever, guys. And then I do it on my cheekbones as well, on top of the blush. Then now I'm just gonna comb my eyebrows. The eyebrows. Yeah, I'm gonna comb my eyebrows, and that's all. I'm not gonna actually draw on them because I'm such a bad drawer. And then I'm just gonna comb my lashes once again, and then I'm gonna mascararize the bottom lashes as well. I'm going to actually go in with this lipstick that is 05 in color. I bought it from Clicks. You guys can take a screen grab of that because it's so cute. I apply it only on my bottom lip because my bottom lip is actually lighter than my top lip. And then I go in with this Lip Therapy aloe flavored gloss. And yeah, that's that, guys. Look how I look. I even jazzed it up with like a necklace from Mr. Price, and that is like my neutral look. I really love it. I had to go outside because I was losing light in my room, so there was nice sunlight outside. So that's how I look. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like, and comment below. I love you guys. Mwah!